Days like this, I wish I had a fucking shop. This truck needs a PTO shaft. As you can see, some good looking motherfucker already took that out. This is the new PTO shaft, and this is a PTO shaft out of another fucking truck. Say, Cree, why is that? Well, another truck needed a PTO shaft. Let's pull it out of this truck. All right, I do that. Put the drive line into that truck, and he's ready to ride. Get this drive line that we took out of his truck, take it to the drive line shop, get us a new one made. Okay, that drive line gets made. Oh, we got another truck PTO shaft come out of. All right, U-joint run out of it, tore the shaft up. All right, well, their idea, not mine. Let's just put that shaft in this other truck that needs it, and we'll get another one made for this truck. This truck never needed a PTO shaft until we took it out. Okay, let's show you the problem. This is pretty well lined up. These welds are a little bit off, U-joint's a little bit off, carrier bearing's off, welds are really off. And you get all the way down to the end of the shaft, not very lined up anymore. So, we're gonna throw this shaft back in this bad mamma jamma, get a new shaft for that one, and we'll be ready to ride. Get paid to do the same job 4 fucking times. Works for me though. Alright, we want to tape our caps back up. Obviously the driveline people did so, but I took it off trying to install the PTO shaft. Oh, trying to fall on me. We don't want that U-joint cap falling off, getting in the dirt on our new U-joint. Stay, son. Playing Jenga, driveline Jenga. Alright. Being that we're playing musical drivelines, I am very happy that it is a PTO shaft and not a driveline. These are a lot easier to deal with. Sure, we scratch up that new paint, make it run better. Not a 17, but it works. One of the other drivers are running their PTO. Done, son. Let's get the fuck out of here. Don't have a change of clothes in the truck because I used them the other day. So we're gonna have to ride home. Look at that baby spin, baby. Gotta ride home in dirty clothes. What's new? Oh, I love getting in my truck like this. Let's put our stuff up. Oh, back down. I was way off. I got an 18, 19, and 17 out as a fucking 5/8. What can I say? I'm a dumbass. If I don't run this vise in, it'll rattle loose and fall to pieces. And every time someone comes up and uses my vise, every single time they leave it open. So let's go with all our little lights and whatnot. I got some strobe lights I gotta wire up. Alrighty friends, we are ready to ride. Got her snugged up in there. We got this other PTO shaft off that other truck, and we will drop her off at Truck Supply in the morning and get that one rebuilt. Get fucking rich off these PTO shafts. I told the customer he's good to go on this truck, and he said, I know, I already paid the invoice. I'm like, you the man. He said, I'm the man, but that's debatable. Depends on who you ask. But this is a pretty good customer of mine. They keep me pretty busy, but they're building them their own shop right there. So here soon, I ain't gonna have no more work from them, which kind of sucks, but you know, that's how these customers go. You'll have a big customer and someone phases them out, and about that time you'll pick up another one. Just kind of the course of how it goes. But it's 10 o'clock. I'm ready to get home, take a shower, get these dirty ass fucking clothes off me, and I reckon I'll see you on the next one.